What cute voices. Yo, this is too perfect. Hi guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I've encountered a new group called Hearts2Hearts. And I'll be reacting to a song called The Chased. Right? It's my very first time checking these people, these women out, because I've seen that there are a lot of women in this group. So I'm excited to give my reaction towards them. Right? So with this being said, let's all venture together and to see what these women are capable of. Peace. Well, I gotta say, beautiful females. Lovely lineup. So I guess they are going in the order of all the names called I mentioned a moment ago. So let's pursue. The Chase. Wow. Damn. 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 What a moment. What a moment. Damn. These are looking beautiful. Very much beautiful. Wow, magnificent voice. She's sounding good. Very good. Very, very good. Awesome moves as well. They got skills. They got skills. All right. Okay. Okay. I want to see more. I want to see more because the voices sound good so far. The dance move look good so far, and they all looks good so far. So I guess I'm not interested to hear what's up. So let's continue. I ain't gonna lie, this is a very joyful music. Very joyful music. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Look at them. Yeah, they look adorable. They look adorable. Very nice. The dance is very good. Very neatly done. These females look gorgeous. I ain't gonna lie. Everything looks good here. Very good. Oh, crazy. The smoothness of the movement with these individuals done, it's a bonus for me. It's so smooth, man. The dances are smooth. Damn. Wow. Wow, I gotta lie. Ra, ra, ra. Very sweet. Very sweet. And what I do like about the Hearts2Hearts thus far, they are properly organized, right? The harmony coming together, the unity. I love when people unify, right? And to see that they are very unified, it brings forth a smile on my heart, bro. I love it, bro. I love to see people with such big and bold, beautiful hearts singing unto us, giving us what we all deserve, right? I love the music, and this is very lovely to watch, bro. The performance is very good. Very good.
커버린 걸까 설명할 수 없는데 온 힘을 다해 달려 멈춰서 이고 싶지.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, her voice is good. Sweet voice. Enchanting voice. Damn, okay. Okay. Oh my god, I can't wrap my head around this. Oh my god, bro. Freaking gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous. Ah, those moves are very good. Creative movements. I love to see when a female can embrace themselves when it comes on to what they like the most. Movement, singing, dancing, cooking, it doesn't matter. I love to see when people can literally put forth what they're good at and to be themselves, because I do like it, right? Self-confidence is one of the best confidence ever, and I do like the confidence within these females. Very good, very amazing. And I love the way each of them is just on point, right? It's a very nice thing to see. People can, be harmonized so perfectly. No one of them is just, off key. Every individual is on point, and I do like this, right? This takes a lot of practice. And to see these females, with such beautiful and beauty of elegance, it enhances my day. I love it. No, I became a fan. No, I became a fan of them. Awesome. Awesome, bro. Awesome. This is so awesome. I love this, bro. I love to see all these individuals with such awesomeness. Oh my gosh. Their voices are so sweet. Whoa. Such cuteness. Oh my god. Such cuteness, bro. What cute voices. Yo, this is too perfect. I mean, like, their voices suits their personality. Very cute. Very cute. Very good vocals as well. I gotta say, they can sing really good. They can perform good as well. Complete package. Whoa, the floral lineup on the hand looks dope. That is very neat. Damn, bro, I love to see the foot movement as well, man. I gotta say, I'm learning a lot from these females. To be honest, I can't dance. But when I see them in the dance move, it literally propels my entire body, bro. They can dance really good. Wow, smooth foot movement, smooth and gestures, smooth performance. Everything is unified. Amazingly wonderful. Hearts to hearts, very good. Very, very good. Damn, that was very good. I gotta say, I enjoyed myself. So if you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican react. I'll see you guys in another heart to heart reaction.